Hey, over there, I got in New Jersey. This is Dr. Espinoza from MassiveLineBillboards.com. We spoke the other day, and I told you I'll be sending you this video out to you. So here it is, as promised. So real quickly, I just want to give you 3 tips today that you can do yourself to compete and beat out your local competition and bring more customers to your business online. This video is just some bit of research and some pointers for you guys, what you can use today to really optimize your traffic. So real quickly, just to get into it, the first thing I want to talk about is content. And content is basically anything that you see in your front page as far as images, what these images are saved as, any videos, what those videos are saved as. Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. So if I put you guys into this word counter here, we see that you guys have 71 words on your front page. So that would be my only recommendation for you guys, that you want to go ahead and put some more content in your front page. And when using this content, you want to add keywords, and we'll get into that in a little later. This is one of your competitors here, NJ Gutter. And this is another one of your competitors, Allstate Gutters, New Jersey. So when we type in, an example of a keyword would be if we was to type in, Gutter, New Jersey. These are the searches, queries that pops up. So you'll see these guys who are one of your competitors, Ned Stevens, and these guys are right here who are also one of your competitors when we type in this keyword, Gutter, New Jersey. So in order to be found for this keyword, this is a software I use called Ahrefs, and it basically gives me the backend of a company's profile. So, you know, as you see that you guys are not ranking for any keywords, and if we go into these guys, NJ Gutter, that they're ranking for 242 keywords. But so the good thing about this is that we're able to come in and see what keywords that they're ranking for, and we're able to use them for your site. So basically, what some a little bit due diligence would be able to come in and find the best ones. We'll continue to narrow it down, find the best ones, and we'll use them for your site. So obviously you want to be ranking for some of these keywords to be found for them. So like I said, to talk about content is that you want to have some content on your front page in order to put these keywords within this front page. Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and there's typically a general rule that there's 150 words per one keyword. So if you have 1,500 words of content on your front page, you should have about 10 keywords in there placed strategically throughout this your front page. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. So citations are basically directories listed throughout the web of your name, address, your exact information, your business profile listed throughout the web. They're basically online references that features your information. So, you know, the importance of this is because it builds trust with Google and it lends your business credibility to help you rank in the map packs. So the map pack this system it depends on many factors. A big part of ranking is that your profile must be created correctly and optimized for search engines to find it. So, for example, a tip would be to write your business description, and you will want to include main keywords within that description, and you'll want to max it out so you can put those keywords. You won't be considered stuffing. Usually, it ranges to about 700 characters. So, and as I mentioned, you want to save the images that you will optimize your Google with, your Google My Business page with, as keywords as well that you're trying to be found for, that you're trying to rank for. And also you want to have at least 25 photos, because if your competition have about 25, you want to have 50. If they have 10, you want to have at least 25. So these steps are often overlooked. So in the next step, you just want to add some categories related to your services that you offer. Every city, town, state, country, wherever you're willing to work is listed in those service areas. So once you have that set up, you just want to work on getting some more reviews. And also, to get a review, you just want to maybe contact past customers or send them, some new customers links to ask them to give you reviews. So that's basically what citations are, and they're basically directories like Yelp, Facebook, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, and etc. So for me, I like to use a software called Whitespark, and it has a pretty good list of citations for business and categories and cities. So the more businesses that your company is listed on, the better. It allows you Google to see you as more credible business and rank you higher. This map pack section here is responsible for 44% of search traffic. So you want to be diligent in getting those citations. So the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And backlinks are basically other websites pointing back to your website. As you can see here, that you guys don't have any backlinks, but it would be easy to come in and get these backlinks. So you can see your competitors, they're ranking for. They have about these guys say they have about 74 referring domains. So which won't be easy to it won't be hard to go out there and get those, because basically what I do is that all backlinks are not created equal. So I'll go ahead and see the ones that's just relevant to you, that is relevant, and that would be about 36 of them. So they have 36, you just went out and go and get 50. Backlink are important ranking factor because basically this is like a popular vote. That's what you can think of these as, and it allows power to come back to your site. So Google, it definitely push you above your competitors. So in all of these aspects, content, keywords, citations, backlinks, you want to be beating out your competitors. As you can see, these guys are ranking for 242 keywords. They have an estimated traffic value at close to 200, and it's just, it's massive. So just imagine any business, or if you was capture a small percentage of this, maybe 20, 30 searches, that definitely benefit. I know that would benefit my business as well. So these guys also here, they're ranking for about 244 keywords. So this is all beneficial. So those are the 3 things that I want to help you out with today. If you have any questions or concerns, in any case you're looking to increase your business or grow your team and receive more calls, I can assure you that if you follow these steps, I'll give it to you today and implement them. You will definitely start to strengthen your foundation. You'll see a significant increase in your demand for your services. They help you. It definitely give you that push above your competitors. So just a quick reminder, there are a couple tips regarding content that you can implement while writing your content. And that's basically, you want to be bold in those keywords. You want to make them visible so Google, the spiders are able to crawl them easily, and you want to basically interlink those keywords back to your service pages. This will give a precise message on what you do and when you do it, and it makes your profile user-friendly. It allows it to be very accessible and navigational. It's also worth mentioning that on your service pages or your back pages, any of your back pages, they should have about 500 words of content, and also those keywords should be included as well. So secondly, remember citations. Citations are basically, directories throughout the web, and you definitely want to take advantage of these networks by getting listed in on as many as you can. So I use a program called Whitespark CA to find them. It costs about $30 a month, but there's also free tools out there that you can use. Lastly, as we talked about backlinks, these are must-haves to rank well in the search results and organically rank on Google's first page. So the way I go about to use that is, as I mentioned, a program. Well, this is a program I use called Majestic. It's a costly tool, but there are normal ways to get out and get them backlinks. So you just want to know that once you have one or many of those backlinks, you should try to find something on the site that says get a link or sign up or guest post. This is very important. This will create a link back to your site and pass you power. So you just remember, you want to get as much as you can. So here's some. I showed you some keywords earlier, but here's some that I found for you guys, and they're very specific. Gutter repair, New Jersey. Gutter cleaning, Wayne, New Jersey. NJ Gutters, Annandale, New Jersey. Bergen County, Gutter clean, New Jersey. Gutter cleaning. Gutter cleaners, Bergen County, New Jersey. So, and they're, as you can see, it got a total of 1,500 searches per month, which is massive. I know that you said you do your own website and you do all these updates yourself. So yeah, feel free to come here. You can see some of these keywords here. Take them and use them for your site. You want to go on your site, you want to put them, you want to save these images to some of these keywords. You want to go ahead and get them citations. You want to list it so you can rank in this section, which is very, very important. And you want to go get them backlinks so you can rank in this organic section, because obviously being in one of these sections brings a lot of results. So basically, that's all I have for you today, brother. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I wish you the best, bro.